Check this out, guys. I made these wireframes using copper wire. Actually, I wanted, wireframe glasses to take some self-portraits, but in this lockdown I can't go out and get one, so I made one. I know it's not that good, but it's not that bad, huh? It looks cool on me, right? How does it look? So let's remove it for now. So we'll use it in our today's self-portrait. So guys, today I'm going to try some creative portrait photography ideas, or you can just self-portrait photography ideas, because I just want to be creative in this time of quarantine. So okay, we'll try some creative ideas. Creative, how does you guys do creative ideas, huh? Let's try that. So guys, our first self-portrait photography idea is inspired by Sorel Amour's this photo. If you don't know her, you don't know anything about self-portrait photography, guys. So we are going to try something same, but the only thing I'm going to do different in this is I'm going to turn my eyes like this. President. And also she is wearing makeup around her eyes to make them dark, so I'm not going to do that. I will put the makeup on in Photoshop, because we can do anything in Photoshop. Okay, so let's try that. So first of all, I'm going to change the background to black. So now why I did that, it's because even if I light up the candle, my background will always be black. So now let's turn all the lights off and light up the candle. Okay, so guys, now we are ready with everything, so let's take some photos. Now guys, for second idea, what I did is I took a plain paper and torn it from the middle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to frame my eye within that torn paper, like this, something like this. Okay, so let's take some photos. So I'm going to change the lens to 50mm f1.8 so that I get that closer look and also the depth of field. And now guys, for this last idea, I'm going to use some soap water and this bubble blower that I made with the wire to blow some bubbles and take some photos. And also I'm going to wear this wire frames, okay, in this photo shoot. So now let's get changed and take some photos. So hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos on home photography or the photography ideas that you can try at home, you can check out my other videos on channel, because I'm making this kind of videos from almost around 2 weeks, so you would love them, and they are all about portrait photography, light painting. You can check them out. So hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video because it will help me to grow on YouTube. So see you in the next video. Peace.